Are you like the surfer looking for miracles, looking for a transformation, looking for a breakthrough? Well, that was me until I found a community of people that are actually helping each other win every single day. When I was looking for the next wave of success, I joined this community and we had what is called Spring into Action. And what Spring into Action helped me do is to help me stop looking and start taking action on a daily basis so that I could finally have the success that I've been praying for, that I've been wishing for. So I stopped wishing and I started taking action so that I could spring into action, so that I could go into Miracle May, so that I could have a breakthrough. And what this community helped me do is that it helped me stop looking and start taking action. So every day I would have a daily activity that I could take into action, and then I could go into my community. In the community together, we were taking momentum together, which helped all of us stay in activity mode, in accountability mode, and all of us are winning. All of us who are taking action and sprung into action, now we're going into. So if you're tired of looking, then stop looking and start taking action, because that's exactly what Spring into Action did for many of us. We took action and we're now springing over to Miracle May, so that in 90 days, all of us who are taking action, we can actually live our dream life and have 90 days of miracles. 90-day miracles. It's happening for you if you take action.